Hi everyone! For today, gawa tayo ng pizza. So, ito yung ingredients ng ating pizza dough. So, we need all-purpose flour, olive oil, a pinch of salt, sugar is optional, and of course, the yeast. Guys, ilalagay ko sa description box ang exact measurement ng dough natin. So, let's watch this. Guys, you can use also the stand mixer if you have available in your kitchen, or you can use manually. Use your hands to do the dough for the pizza. It can be also, but if you have the available stand mixer, it's better. After that, we have to leave the dough for an hour para mag-double in size or mag-rise yung flour natin. After 1 hour, eto na yung dough natin. Nag-double in size na siya at ready na i-roll para sa base ng pizza. You have to use your strength para i-roll natin yung pizza to make it circle. Pero kami guys, mas gusto namin yung manipis lang yung pizza crust namin. So, pero depende sa inyo kasi yung iba, mas gusto nila yung makapal yung base ng pizza or yung pizza crust na tinatawag. Pero sa amin is mas gusto namin yung manipis lang siya. It takes time to make, lalo na yung pag-antay mo ng dough na magra-rise siya. But, it's fine kasi, like, you can see, di ba parang napakadali namang gawin, madaling gawin, kaso lang yung mag-antay ka lang ng 1 oras para sa dough mo, para mag-rise yung dough or mag-double in size. Ayan, ganito ang ginagawa niya. Anyway, Lawrence is my friend. Siya talaga ang magaling magluto sa pizza. So, this video is credit to Lawrence. Pagkatapos niyan guys, hindi pa yan tapos. There is more. So, kailangan niyang i-pre-cook yung pastry natin, yung base ng pizza, for maybe at least 10 minutes para ma-pre-cook yung base natin bago tayo maglagay ng toppings. Ganyan katiyaga si Lawrence. So, kung makita niyang may mga nagbabubbles, is ipinupok niya ng fork. Yan, para matanggal yung yung air ng pizza dough natin. By the way guys, since we're making a vegetable pizza, kailangan natin i-roasted muna yung pumpkin and the cauliflower. Meron din tayo dito ng parsley mamaya for the toppings, and meron din tayo dito, andito rin yung pizza sauce natin. So, kailangan natin ilagay muna sa oven o i-roasted muna natin yung pumpkin at saka yung cauliflower bago natin ilalagay o maglagay ng toppings for our pizza. We roast it maybe 20 minutes or more than that. You can see naman kung luto na siya. Then, it's time for the topping. Okay, ganito lang yung vegetable natin. Hindi siya masyadong very cooked na masyado. As long as makita nyo na ready na siya. So, let's do the topping. So, first thing we do, kailangan natin i-spread yung pizza sauce natin. I think we can use also the Italian pizza sauce, the ready-made, or you can make it your own, or you can use the passata. Okay? So, first, yan, i-spread muna natin evenly yung pizza sauce. That's amazing! Gutom na ako. Hindi pa luto yan ha, pero as in, kasi guys, I know the taste of her pizza. Kasi every Friday, minsan, nilulutuan ako ni Lawrence ng pizza niya. Pag nagre-request ako sa kanya ng every Friday, kasi mostly every Friday siya gumagawa ng pizza. Pag nagre-request ako kung ano yung gusto kong toppings, she will make it for me. Ganun ako kamahal ni Lawrence. Kaya you have to try her own recipe guys, kasi madali lang naman. Kasi pwede nyong lagyan any toppings would you like, but for us today, we want a vegetable toppings for our pizza. Ayan na. Ang sarap. Sarap kasi guys. Kasi first time namin kumain ng ganito. Kasi of course, as long as damihan nyo lang yung sauce niya. Tapos with matching cheese on top. Sarap. Sarap. The next, the coriander. Ayan. Masarap kasi yung coriander din. Meron yung iba yung texture or yung lasa niya. Yan pang isang nagpapasarap guys ng pizza. Yung lasa ng coriander. But coriander is optional, okay? So, meron kasi yung mga tao na ayaw nila yung lasa ng coriander, but we love it. And there is one more secret recipe for our pizza today. a chili flakes. So, sprinkle lang natin siya ng chili flakes. Isa pa rin yan na nagpapasarap sa pizza natin ngayon. Next is the cheese. That's the last ingredients na kailangan natin ilagay sa cheese natin. Guys, for me, mas masarap yung kung mas madami ang cheese on top. Diba? Pero it depende na sa inyo yan. For us, we love cheese. More cheese on top of our pizza. So, that's all guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa bago nating recipe for today. And more videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And of course, leave me a comments and thumbs up. And don't forget the tiny bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating mga videos. Thank you so much and goodbye!